time at UTD was amazing. Very different than today's campus. Back in the 90s, it was a 2-year in a graduate school. So I was the last year of being that 2-year program, and it was very small. And the science department was nothing like today's. It would be really nice to be a student here today. You have lots of access to lots of stuff. I was originally majoring in biology with a minor in psychology. He's like, no, do it the other way. So I went the other route, and I decided, well, instead of going to dental school when I graduate, I'm actually going to buy the company I was working for. So I bought the company and have grown it over all these years. Nova is a wafer supplier. We're a small woman-owned business. We're Hub certified to distribute silicon wafers and other substrates. And then we also act as a one-stop shop to provide processing services to our customers. So if a customer needs to make a whole wafer into a little device, we can take it from start to finish.
Lauri was challenged by UT Dallas. She found it a very tough environment and difficult, but she ended up enjoying it incredibly. And she told me the other day that, in fact, the challenge of doing UT Dallas led her to believe in her life that she could meet any challenge. And gosh, has she, incredibly so.
I've really enjoyed being able to be part of the world with all the innovation that's going on, to be able to help people, whether it's mentally, physically, or socially. Wafers are used in all applications around the world, anywhere from being in a cell phone to devices at all the equipment in the hospitals, to the aerospace and the space shuttle. So it's really fun and exciting to be able to see all the innovation that has come about in the world and be a part of that.
Lauri was a star at UT Dallas when she came through the psychology department in the School of Behavioral Brain Sciences. She's continued in excellence to this day. And so the Lauri as a student and the Lauri as an exceptional businesswoman shows an amazing human being, an amazing life, and an amazing contribution to our society.
I'm very honored to win this award. To graduate so long ago and then still be seen as a possible recognition was really nice.